Hey guys, Alan Brother Outdoors back here today. And today we will be showing you guys how to cook and just prepare the dove breasts, because we shot them and then cleaned them to get just the breasts out. And so we're going to show you how to cook it and eat it on a fire pit.
We'll have a taste test at the end.
Hey guys, what's up? We're back. And we will just be filleting or getting all the meat out of the breast. Okay, so first off, you want to get a cutting board and a knife in the dove breast. And so you just want to start on the very bone, and you just want to kind of go along there as close to the bone as you can. Just make a little line and then work your way that way. And then you just want to kind of get it and then do the other side. Okay, so you have both sides cut like that. Now you want to flip it over, and if you can feel that bone right there, you want to cut right along it. And cut right along, and then cut along that line. And then here you have your two breasts. So what you want to do is just pull it right off. And there's one. And then, like, if it gets stuck, just cut it off from the bone. And there's your second fillet. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fillet. Hey guys, we're back. And so what you want to do is get your dove breast and your toady sashers, and then you just want to sprinkle it on. And you want to flip them over and sprinkle those. Next, you want to get about 2 to 3 inches of cut bacon, and you just want to like twirl it around like just bacon wrap it, like wrap it in bacon, and then just do that to all of them, and I'll see you when I finish all of them. Okay, so what you want to do is get like a kind of thin stick and just carve a point out to it, and then you just want to get the bacon and just stick it right in, and just do that to all of them, and space it out to however you would like. I'm just gonna do it like 1 inch apart for each. Okay guys, so we have our dove breast and bacon on there, and then all you want to do, get your fire lit, and then just place it right on. And pretty much just wait until they're cooked. It's been cooking for a while, and it's looking very good, boys. Okay guys, so what you want to do is look for when it's finished is like it's going to has some crispy edges on the bacon. It's going to be kind of like brownish. Look, I'll show you up close. It's going to look like pretty much like that. Oh, and does that ever look good, guys? Oh, good eating tonight. And so yeah, I think we're finished, and we'll meet you back when we're doing it. Eating it. Let's do it.
Guys, now for the taste test, and here we go with our dove. That's good.
That.
William, you give it a thumbs up?
That tastes like steak, but better.
Yeah. So you give it a thumbs up?
The only thing bad is that there's not a lot of it.
Yeah. Hey Luke, thumbs up?
I need more of this.
It tastes like buttery steak, but this is better. Thumbs up for me. I think it's really good. Guys, after us cooking the dove, making the fire, and eating them, they were really good, and yeah.
Please like and subscribe, comment below,
Thanks for watching.